Kusi. Fede. You know the drill. Yeah, sure, it's up at midnight. Cover off it. The only time you meet is when the sun goes down and the moon comes up. Come to like a pussy cooks, pussy fat. Bana manga. Zaram feet. Hamba kanjani? Hamba kanjani? Sikhipha ama-watts. No energy, no power, no nothing. Abona ungazigaya isikhathi. Ne. Mawungena la live-ini, uzigaya isikhathi. Isikhathi esincane nje. Sokuthi amehlo wami wayekela. Hlukane namehlo wami. Sigaya 3 minutes ukuthi mina amehlo kaDamani ngihlukana nawo. Uyazitshela bongena yi. Sigaya isikhathi esincane ukuthi mangena la vela amehlo kaDimani mina ngihlukana nawo. Uyangithola? Bafethu, obvious. Now uyabona. Sebafuna ucomment awuwa. Kayibreak inyana yo. Obvious uyabona mina kwenzeka. It's happening. Then ufuna except top of midnight like cover of it. The only time you meet is when the sun goes down and the moon comes up. Kama tole kibanyana spus cooks pus pant. Bana mwana. Sanda kufika sisabulisana. So ukuthi ngiphume endleleni yabo. Sicela ungena vele siyabulisana ninjani. Khona umunye bekudala vele bekala uzokutshela ukuthi kwenzakala. Mara mina ngidlulile la Fede. Ogwani. Ke kumathateng bafethu alkhwale le ngwe nyako ya live len beno kana le bothata ba English angarlatse kana le bothata ba sekgowa beno ka tputsisha gore ge ke bolela le lekgwale go le botsa gore mfethu ka bona vele rawa because kona balabala vele kuwa vele ukuthi ngcono ngiyeke le ndaba uyabalabala ngamawala pom azizobuya this festive season wayaka the lyrics nakithatela diperi le dipatshe khambe ebusuku nongalala emakhaya bashibile gide bajive baphuzi kube mnandi badakwa abantu kanti lo wenza njani emajita kanti lo yenza njani uyabalaba scoop simbangeli nyakanya scoop simphenduli fire chaza mo shibili uyangithola uyadlala So simple, man. Me and English, man. Me and English. Me and English, like, I don't know what we're fighting for, but we are in a serious fight. Ukuthi silwelana mina nesingisi angazi bafethu. Mara siku-serious fight, siku-fight massive. Awuraba Ray vele ngizodila ngaye uma ngicedilayo vele. Okwamanje. Wabala. Angabaleki ku-app mina ngishintshela amanamba cause yabona bengingasese-grand jo. I will try and speak English here and there, but I'm not good, man. I'm not that good with English. My English is from Spanish. I speak Spanish English. I don't know if you understand. This is Spanish English. Athini, ngicela uze nabo malume bakho this week Saturday. Ngicela nathi ukuthi kunezinye izinto manje yabona ngisakhona ukuzikhuluma ku-live man. Yes man, things change, things happen. Yabona? Yeah. Ngiyophendula enye comment njani la bese lapho kuyaliwa. So the verse goes like this. Man. It goes like nakithatela dipere le dipaje khambe ebusuku nongalali emakhaya bashibilikide bajayive baphuzi kube mnandi badawu kwabantu kanti wenza njani amajida kanti yenza njani uyabalabala scoop simbangeli inyakanya scoop simphenduli ifayafa ngichaza shibiliki uye kibubuza ukuthi bebathini ntwana yam sprinting shona kibi uye kibubuza ukuthi bebathini uyangithola faya kanjalo uyabalabala ngamawala bom ay ngiyakutshela baba zizo ngibona hayi namhlanje sibulise le ndaba yokubulisa abafethu ngifake enkingeni yabona. So ngiyabona ukuthi ngcono sibulisane kuma-comment vele. Violina Katralina Dodesa Selmeni mina Kadlala baby upila man ngizobuya man. Ngizobuya around 11 naningalali. Ama-comment ngiyawa-reply mara angisho amanye ngiwa-reply ngiyawafunda ne mara I don't read them like out loud. Ngiwafundela phakathi bese ngiyawaphendula. Betsa gore ya ningimeleni ngo-11 si-online. Ngithola mina ngo-11 ngiyabuya. Manje ngifuna ukuyodla nani ngifuna ukukhuluma no-Rubber Ray nyana yabona. Then nina ngizonibona. Seselmini mina before ngivaya ngifunani before ngivaya. Ngibuye ngo-11 singayifikisi lapho ngithembeni ngiyobuya. Abalabala verse appetite next suppose Coke suppose Fanta actually ivesi yakho kuyizolo ekusesafaka amakhasi silala nga-1 sivuka ngakusasa ngiyabhabhalaza kwasamacala sithetha amacala se ngiyabalabalo man besenza iras inyaka man besenza irase Bucks and Keys okwamala sharp and man okwamala kyabala balom besenza iras inyaka man besenza irase Bucks and Keys okwamala sharp and man okwamala uyangithola. Then kumabalabala nakithathela dipere le dipache kuhambe ebusuku nongalala emakhaya bashibile igidi bajayive baphuze badaku kube mnandi abadaba yo uyadlala wena hayi ngishapile bafethu ngilebethe. Let's happen next time. Ngihamba bafethu ngizonibona ngo-11. I show it's a midnight cover of it. The only time the sun goes down and the moon comes up. Come to like a banana, suppose cooks, suppose fanta. Bana manga, bana more. Yo, I'm a kumbulo on Gamanya.